Hello and welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza journey, and today I'm going to be going over my thoughts and first impressions of the new Ooni Karu 16. Let's do it. I'm so excited. I have pre-ordered the oven. It was £699. I just want to go over my first impressions of this oven from what I can see on the website and from the video that Ooni have provided. These are the specifications of the new oven coming from Ooni. It cooks with wood or charcoal out of the box or use gas, which is sold separately. I checked the gas burner out because I want to get that as well. But that's sold out, and it was interesting to see that's a complete redesign. So no more the old original Ooni burner. Are they going to redesign the original gas burner for the Ooni Karu 12, or are they just doing it for the Ooni 16? I think the original burner works really well in the Ooni Karu 12, but it would be nice to know if they are thinking of redesigning it to match the bigger oven. It reaches 500 degrees in 15 minutes, which is 950 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the thing that I thought, oh my gosh, this is really going to change things. I have a thing about cooking with the door off, even though I should be cooking with the door on with wood-fired pizza ovens. Well, they have now developed a new hinged oven door with a view flame technology to boost visibility. I guess what that means is they've got a hinged door that's glass and you can see through it and it doesn't soot up. Because what happened was with the Ooni Pro, it had a little panel of glass in the Ooni Pro, and so as soon as you put the door on, you couldn't see through because it would soot up, which was a shame. This could possibly be the perfect wood-fired pizza oven if that door does not soot up when you're cooking, because that means for the first time I'll be able to cook with the door on and have full visibility on a wood-fired pizza oven. That's a big thing for me. I can have the visibility, I can have the door on, and I'm very, very pleased about that. That's probably one of the one things that has made me think this is heading towards, this could be the perfect pizza oven if that does what it does. And I also like the mounted digital thermometer that displays an internal oven temperature, batteries included. That is brilliant because it's always good to know what temperature your oven is. For the gas ovens, I go by the stone heat. So the stone heat is always going to be around 430 degrees centigrade in the center of the pizza where you're going to cook. So the internal temperature of a wood-fired oven needs to be 500 degrees centigrade. I've noticed a number of comments in my videos recently about that. This oven does just that I can just cook on the stone as long as it's 500 degrees centigrade internal temperature. That's the ideal cooking temperature for the pizza. It's just like one of those things that you really wanted to have on an oven for such a long time, and now it's there, it's happened, it's brilliant. It's got a large cooking area that fits up to 16-inch pizzas and other substantial cooks. It's got a carbon steel shell, powder coated finish. Yeah, that heat resistant powder coated finish is pretty amazing because these ovens get to a high heat, and if they're anything like the Ooni Karu 12s and the Ooni Karu 12s outer coats, they are very, very easy to keep clean. And I'm seeing the picture of these two together side by side. The Ooni Karu 12 is not a tiny oven, it's a good sized nice oven, and so when you see the size of the Ooni Karu 16 next to it, it looks big. That oven, that Ooni Karu 16 looks really big next to the 12. I mean, I know it's £400 more, but is that nearly double in size? It's not just a few 4 inches bigger. That oven is a lot bigger. If this is going off the reputation of the Ooni Karu 12, I love that oven. I think it's amazingly versatile. You've got your gas, you've got your wood, and the log sizes that go in the back are about a bit bigger than kindling. about 6 inches and about 3 inches deep. That's the kind of size I'm putting in the Ooni Karu 12 at the moment. The features of the Ooni Karu 12 are the multiple fuel options for maximum cooking flexibility, fire up wood and charcoal, which is the same right out of the box. It reaches 500 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes, which is the same as the Ooni Karu 16. What size logs can go into the grate? So when I had the Ooni Pro, I would stick one large log in for the cook along with some lump wood. And that would give me a cook of a few pizzas. It would just last that long. And if I needed like a boost of flame, I just add a few pieces of kindling in. I can't do that with the Ooni Karu 12 because it can't take one of those big logs like the Ooni Pro. And I have a lot of those big logs because they come in these like really good value bags that I can find in this chain in the UK. They sell them in the entranceway and I've got loads of them. So I've not been using them because I can't use an axe. I bought one, I'm pretty rubbish, probably cut my foot off if I carry on. So if this oven can fit a log the same size as the Ooni Pro, I'm going to be well happy with that because I can use up all those logs. And I like cooking like that. I like not having lots of little logs. I've always, since I've had the Pro, cooked with one big log in the back with some lump wood scattered around and some kindling to boost the flame. And then when that log burns down, I just stick another big log in and it gives a really good, strong flame. And it lasts a while and you don't have to keep topping up with wood all the time. So I really hope that this oven can fit one of those sized logs in. They're not huge because they can go in the back of the Ooni Pro, but I would like to know what the size of this grate is so I can do that because I've got a load of them in my storage area and I really want to use them. The Ooni Karu 16 weighs 28.4 kilograms and the Ooni Karu 12 weighs 12 kilograms. If it looks nearly double in size, I guess I expected it to nearly weigh double more than the Ooni Karu as well. So if that weight includes the pizza stone, then it's going to be a lot lighter without the pizza stone. It's very much like the Ooni Karu 16. That's quite heavy with the pizza stones in. And once I take the stones out, I can carry it quite easily. The Ooni Karu 16 is 18.2 kilograms. Is 10 kilograms lighter than the Ooni Karu 16. And the Ooni Karu 12, whoa, okay, so this is a good comparison. The Ooni Karu 12 is 9.25 kilograms unboxed weight. The Pro weighs 22 kilograms. So overall, what I can't wait to check and test is the difference in size with the Ooni 12. There's a price difference. Is it worth that extra £400? What's the grate size? Can I use the same size logs as I used in the Ooni Pro? The gas burner, is that redesign good? Is it as good as the old gas burner? I can't wait to use the gas burner, see how it compares to the Ooni original gas burner. I'd like to see how big the height of the oven is for the cooks. Will they be making a new designed gas burner for the Ooni Karu 12? I'm really looking forward to using the glass door. I mean, that's yeah, that's like the best thing they could have done for me on this new oven is sticking a glass door in it. Brilliant, I can't wait. And I can't wait to put the Ooni Pro next to the new Ooni Karu 16 either because I can't wait to put them together and see the difference in size between the two and how much they've changed in design and everything. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.